Well, there he is, boys. Not the biggest buck in the woods, but last day of firearm season 2025, November 30th. I told you the story. I went there and he was already standing down there, so I got the gun out, snuck around my pop-up blind, and took a neck shot because he had his butt to me. And I had a doe stomping on me, so that's it. Our season's over. There's 3 of us standing here, my wife, my grandson. We've all shot bucks this year, so we've had a wonderful season. So, all right, catch you later.